Okay, so I'm closer. I'm very closer to starting my post-apocalypse bag. I will be putting the the bug out destruction tool that I got yesterday in a pocket box. Because one, it's a multi-use item. It's an urban, in your urban, suburban, and woodland type thing. Because I can, you know, uh, I can do whatever I need to do, right? This is Black Rifle Coffee Company vanilla something. I cannot remember. Oh, I threw away the can. I think it's the vanilla bomb. I think it's actually really good. It's how you can taste like the coffee, espresso, whatever in it. Not like heating up water. So. And I refuse to use the microwave for reasons. Yeah. Um. Honestly, if y'all, here's like, I'm gonna give you. Oh, let me show you this. What I do with this is, I put this one in here too. Actually, no. What I did. Wait, God, how am I gonna do this? How the flag am I gonna do this? Ah, I need to shave. As you see, I put in my post-apocalypse tens in here and a couple other things. Um. Oh, and I did order another Roland Welker signature card. I actually like those. Really nice. So yeah, I'm also gonna put. You know what? No, I should probably keep this out just in case, but nah. So yeah, that's how I'm organizing the post-apocalypse tens instead of just putting them into a hat. I swear. But yeah, I have started my post-apocalypse bag. My this will be my um. Oh, also, I will be oiling it up today too. The fireball thing because it is carbon steel, and I will be using if I might since I okay if I'm gonna use it for cooking or for food, olive oil slash extra virgin olive oil. If I'm gonna use it for just everything else, mineral oil. Okay, I have a lifetime supply of that. I got like 5, 6 things of it because I use it for my kukri. Oh, I need to oil up my kukri today. I do that every other month. So yeah. Also, I will be going back to Harbor Freight to get a crap ton of these. I will be going online and getting more of the boxes that I've shown in a few videos with my if I was in a post apocalypse, what would I want to have? And, what would I want to find? You know, if I was scavenging that box, yeah. Honestly, these are nice. I'm gonna get metal ones also, but these are nice too because the only thing that would actually rust on this would be the metal. So yeah, you can do ammunition, fishing gear, electronics, camera equipment, or post-apocalypse 10s, and so yeah. I kind of know some of the things I want to put in there. Okay? I kind of do. Today, I'll be going to the prepping room and organizing it. Because that's something I need to do. It's really good, though. It is really good. They can be found at Dollar General now, which I like. Yeah. Now, only if they could get the Black Rifle Coffee Company the packets that you can use for hot or cold water. That was it. Because I will stock up on that. So yeah. Y'all know the first item now? The bug out destruction thing. Right? So yeah. Anyway, it's been Post-Box Survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. And telling you what I will be putting into a post-apocalypse bag. I don't know what scenario, but peace.